Love you, Sydney.
So I'm here for my first film festival. This is the BFI London Film Festival. Today we're seeing Rental Family, and then tomorrow I'm seeing Christy. It starts in about half an hour, so we're gonna get down there in a second. But you see everyone up here just watching over the red carpet, which is sort of under the cover there. So for the people that have access to basically what is the fan pens, which was right down the end there, but also like on the other side there. To get those, they give out wristbands in the morning at 9 a.m. for the 2 evening galas. But I heard people just turn up at like 5, 6 a.m. to try and get a wristband. And then this massive crowd on the end here is basically where we're gonna enter, literally just anyone with tickets. At any point as well, people will just come up here to watch. So kind of see from a distance. What do you do to the bench? You could sit in it though, like this way. Oh, that's actually kind of comfy. Here we go. Audience entrance, that's us. Good to actually go inside as well, because there's been a lot of premieres that I've been to where I've just been like in the fan pens and stuff. So actually to come out on this little carpet bit, get this little video by the wall, it's gonna be interesting. The lighting is really nice here. Walking in now to the Royal Festival Hall. It's almost like a theatre out here. Oh, here's the other normal entrance. That's a good tip, guys. If you are attending a gala, make sure you go on actually on the red carpet entrance. You can sort of see that side, because you can't just enter on the street here, but it's a bit less of a grand entrance. But I guess if you want a little low-key, or if you're late, you can just slip in over around this side, which is, I think, is the north side of the building. Wait, is that free? Pineapple. Let me grab a pineapple. Oh, this is massive. This is really big. We could have come in there as well, so there's actually multiple levels you can enter from. But most people are still outside. I feel like it's not gonna start dead on 6. 36 and 7 or something? 36, 7! But here.
Moving film, you will laugh, you will cry, and I think the film you're about to see tonight is really incredibly special. It certainly was for our programming team when we saw it. To introduce the film, a very warm welcome please for director Hikari. And thank you guys for being here on Thursday. Is it Thursday today? Yes. Did you have Brendan Fraser in mind to play this central role when the script was being written?
Okay, well, the script, we have had many drafts. And originally when we just started writing, it was much younger character, somebody who was in perhaps 40s, and we went through That was a joke. I'm so glad you guys laughed. Okay, good.
You interview people actually working as a rental family agency.
For me, we went to speak to a company that called themselves the All-Woman Handyman Company. So they don't call themselves a rental family business. So I think what that does actually is to lower the threshold for people who want to ask for companionship. So they told us a story about a woman who wanted to hire somebody for an hour just to change her AC filter. But then they showed up and changed the filter. It's done in 5 minutes. So they were like, would you like us to do something else? And it eventually turns out that she just wanted somebody to talk to, and then she became a regular who would hire them every week or so to just chat. It said so much about how much this is needed and how incredible it is that if you give somebody an entryway into connection, like, people will take it. And I personally would rather have something like that instead of people just falling through the cracks of loneliness. So it really resonated with me, yeah.
And Akira Emoto, I would like to know what attracted you to playing in this film.
宿命だと思います。そうした中でもなんか
passion towards acting. So that's something that I thought that was really resonant to myself.
And Shannon, this is your first major screen role, and you're absolutely wonderful.
It's my first job ever, so hard to believe that I'm actually standing here with all these people.
You're about to journey to Tokyo for 2 hours. Buckle up. Overhead bags closed. Captain says Bloody Mary's on the way. You will get off stage.
Yes, thank you so much.
We've just finished the Rental Family one. And now the next gala is beginning for Blue Moon. I'm trying to see people from here. Oh, actually, look at that view first. Jeez. Anyway, we just got out of watching Rental Family, and it was a very, very wholesome film. It reminds me of the film Brides that I recently watched, where it feels very real, like you kind of forget it's a film. So I think I'm used to watching a lot of these like spectacle films like Superman, and you obviously know it's not really real, but this, it like felt real. And there's a scene, and then the character that Brendan Fraser plays gets really sad, and then you sort of feel sad as well. Then you have to like remind myself, oh, this is just acting. But that's interesting because he's like acting as an actor in the film, so it's like acting paradox. So like we're technically renting them as a family, right? It's about this like agency in Japan where they try to not spoil it, but you can just rent people to play different roles in your life or play a role for someone else. It's almost like you're playing along as well by watching it, even though you know it's not real. You feel like it's real and you feel the emotions in the same way the characters would, even though they're actors. Yeah, really good film. I'd recommend it, and I guess I'll see you back here tomorrow for the next movie. So we're on the way home now, but here's actually a funny Easter egg. So this movie here, The Aftermath, it comes out in cinemas March the 1st, but I'm filming this in what is October 2025. So why is this here? Well, this was actually March the 1st, 2019. The reason is this format and aspect ratio of poster is no longer sold by TFL. So this one has just stayed here for 6 years and it's still here. So we're back now for day 2 of the BFI Film Festival. Today we're going to see Christy, and just as a pre-show snack, I thought I'd get some carrots. Me and Adam have munched down this bag. Look at that as well, 99p. That's a good price, and it's very healthy. So now we're fueled up, ready for the red carpet. Oh, they've actually lit up the bridge and all the BFI buildings over there. It's kind of hard seeing the camera, but yeah, boy.
Love you, Sydney. Love you, Sydney.
Oh, the announcement's going on. All right. But luckily from yesterday, I have an idea of roughly where we were. We're J, and yesterday was E. Whoa, look how dead it is down there now. Everyone's come in. Ooh, we're back, baby.
Can you tell us what attracted you to this particular real life story and wanted to make it into a screen?
I'm shocked that we weren't familiar with her story, and I'm shocked that more people aren't. And her, there's a real intersection of things happening in the film, and some of those things we feel are vital and important and somewhat urgent. And it's a big, beautiful life that she's led, and it felt sort of undeniable that someone should.
You really transform in this role, but your interactions with the real life Christy, what was that like?
I got to meet her when we were in prep, once we got to North Carolina, and I was actually really nervous because you never know what to expect. Like, I'm playing this person and we're making a movie about her life. Does she like me? Is she going to like what I do? It's really nerve-wracking, but after spending 5 minutes with her, I was like, you can be here every single day. I love you. She is so inspiring. She is such a light. Like, the crew loved having her around. I loved having her in my corner. I trained every single day. I had weight training morning and night, an hour each, and then 2 to 3 hours of boxing. And I gained 35 pounds for it in that time. So it was quite an intense physical transformation, but I felt so strong. Thank you.
Whoa, absolute cinema. Absolute cinema. I don't know the last time I've come out of film feeling like this. You know, I'm a Letterboxd user. I looked at Letterboxd, I saw like the star rating, and I thought, it's gonna be an alright film. Nothing crazy, but that was crazy. And the fact that's based on a true story, that's mad. One of the greatest cinema experiences I've ever had. What's your thoughts?
You know what? I had no idea of what to expect going in because I didn't watch the trailer beforehand. So I thought it was going to be just a general boxing movie. The tension just kept rising. That is a great movie. Thank you, Ramon. Ramon arranged this.
Thank you for watching this video. Christy, absolute cinema.